like them. Jamming on the beat. It sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And no, I don't have any makeup on. I am having really bad stomach cramps. And it started Friday night. My boys came, all three grandsons came, spent the night. And I've been pretty much just trying to roll with it ever since. I'm trying to get stuff done. This is my ice cream for November. And I'm just trying to get done what I can get done because I need to go finish my Christmas shopping and do all that. Plus all the extra stuff going on around here. You know, Daniel's family's moving here, and my friend Glenda told me she would come help me. And I'm probably going to need her help because I can't even stand straight up. So, here we go. Now, this is November's, and it's holiday prep. And they give you one of these every month. You can pause it or whatever. And yeah, she kind of helped me with the boys because it started hurting really bad Saturday night or Friday night. So she kind of just said, well, Deb, I'll just stay here and then make sure none of them want to leave or anything. And this is LashStep is what it's called. And this is that's liquid eyeshadow. Oh, this is fiber mascara, and it's valued at $21. Now, I'm not going to open this because I do have several open right now. Oh, what the heck, because I'm probably going to go ahead and start using it. But as you can see, I don't know if I can get that on my hand or not. But see, you can kind of see they have little fibers in them. So yeah. And I do like fiber mascara, so I'll probably just throw that in my box. Okay, and now this is Foundation Brush by Cheeky Rose Beauty. Now, and it looks like this. It was really good to see all my boys here because it's something I never thought would happen. See, because all my grandsons have different moms. Yeah, and it's one of them things you never really thought would ever happen. But it did happen. So that's what this, and this is a foundation brush, and these are so soft. They're just so spectacular. I love these brushes. I got some of these for my granddaughter Kaylee, and she's the one that's got the autistic child, and his adoption is final. And she's the one that got the autistic child, and he loves these. He loves them, and he plays with them all the time. He loves them. Silly boy, my baby. Oh, and that brush is $30. And then we have Lovebird Tinted Lip Balm. And this was another thing I was trying to explain to Glenda. You can't wear it until I record it. She wasn't having it. But I like it tinted. Glenda, you're not listening. You have to let me record it. And I realize I don't have much makeup on because I'm really feeling a little under the weather. I do like the color. Yeah, she's like, but I like that. Yeah, and you have to wait for me to record this stuff before you guys can take over ownership. They don't get it. They don't get it. They're like, oh, I want that. I want that. Well, you can have it when I'm done with it. They're like, no, I don't want you to use it. And I'm like, I'm not going to use it. I'm going to give it to you. Yeah, they're not the brightest bulbs. Okay. And that is Tinted Lip Balm by Lovebird, and that is $10. $10 value. Okay, so there's something missing here. Oh, here it is. Here it is. And this is Beau Beauty Liquid Eyeshadow. Now, Beau Beauty has some gorgeous packaging. I just think they're gorgeous. And this is what it looks like. They have some gorgeous packaging. Now, you can use this as an eyeliner. You can use it as a... Let's just do this. Oops, I kind of missed. We're just going to do this. And we're just going to do that. We're going to let it dry. Because I'm probably way all over the place. But it doesn't matter. Because I'm probably just going to wipe it off anyway. So we'll just do that. And it's pretty. It's a very pretty color. I can put it here on my hand. Where you can see. It's very, very pretty. But anyway. That's those. Of course, according to her, I have more makeup than anybody she knows, and I wear it the least. And I'm like, no, I do wear it sometimes. I don't like to wear it in the summertime because... So there's that. Anyway, then I got Jingle Bell Ruby. Is that really what that says? Is that really what that says? Jingle Bell Ruby. Yeah, that's what it says. And it's an eyeshadow palette from DEDE Signature. Yeah, I let her kind of look at this one because I was not letting her look at that other one. Because, you know. And then I tried to explain to her how these go. You know, she doesn't understand that, you know, like you put this down and then say, put this over top of it, and it kind of gives you a different take than both of them. I couldn't make her understand. So, we'll show here. Here's the green. And we'll put this on top of it. And it shows a different take on it. And I do, now this is just plain glitter. So you can keep adding different glitters, or whatever you want to do. But they come out very pretty. So there's that. And if you're not familiar with Eyescream Beauty, the box is $25 a month. For that, you get 5 to 7 wholesale. 5 to 7 full-size products. You get 5 to 7 full-size products, and you're guaranteed a palette in every box. Now, they also have, what do they call it? A bag. They call it a bag. And with that, you're guaranteed 3 to 5 items. You pay $12.50 plus, I believe it's $1.99 shipping. And you're guaranteed a palette with that also. So, you know, come on back, like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. Bye.